Hello, good day. We are testing parasitic draw test today on the battery because we need to locate which system fault getting voltage drop on the system. So this is the setup. Red going to the other negative terminal, and the black is going to the other terminal, and then we will set on milliampere. The reading is 0.0001, so this is the normal reading without a voltage drop. So if that's gone high, so it means on the system have a fault getting more voltage. That's why the battery will come flat overnight or every 2 days. So this is the setup, and then we have a sample here. Yep, so this is the normal one, and now this have a fuse box engine. So all this is connected on the testing, so we remove one by one. So we determine that which fuse or relay faulty. So this is how easy to check the voltage drop. Thank you.